Make depression disappear?
It's amazing how much better I feel.
Tonight, a King 5 News special assignment from Linda Byron. Electric current can melt away pain. Now that same charge is making a difference with mood disorders.
And this is the first thing that has really helped him improve the functioning and the quality of his life.
And unlike some drugs,
This machine has no side effects.
see how people are zapping depression. King 5 News tonight at 11.
Many people who suffer anxiety and depression turn to prescription drugs for help.
But now there's an alternative for some patients who may not like taking drugs or can't tolerate their side effects. It's electrical stimulation, and as Linda Byron explains in tonight's King 5 special assignment, it works by zapping the brain with tiny currents of electricity.
Well, I'm glad you're here today. How are you feeling this week?
Well, I'm feeling all right. I just had some anxious moments the last couple of days.
55-year-old James Ferguson of Bellingham is meeting with his psychologist to discuss an ongoing problem of depression and anxiety.
You don't even feel them after you've had them on for a few minutes.
Ferguson recently started using electrical stimulation and says it's been extremely helpful.
So I just started like that. It's real simple. Sometimes I'll just want to close my eyes and just take real peaceful time. Well, it takes a few minutes for that to happen. I can feel the sensation. There's definitely something going on.
I guess I'm hearing you say that it kind of keeps the baseline level of anxiety a little bit more quiet for you.
Yeah, exactly.
As a boxer and later a boxing coach, Ferguson was used to handling stress. He followed his father into police work. Here he's undergoing SWAT training. But a series of assaults left Ferguson brain damaged and suffering from post-traumatic stress syndrome. Psychologist Julie Major says traditional antidepressants only cause terrible side effects.
Even the anti-anxiety medications haven't been very beneficial to him, and this is the first thing that has really helped him improve the functioning and the quality of his life.
It's amazing how much better I feel when I use it.
Athletes have used electrical stimulation for years to treat their injuries and their pain. And along the way, they made a surprising discovery. They felt less anxious and even slept better after getting zapped. Now the FDA has given the go-ahead for electrical stimulation to treat stress, anxiety, and depression with a doctor's prescription. How it works is still somewhat of a mystery.
It seems to stimulate the production of beta endorphins, which are kind of our internal feel-good chemicals that the brain produces for us.
The brain is electrical. So once we balance the brain waves, they'll pretty much stay balanced unless there's more stress in your life.
Electrical therapy units are sometimes recommended only in conjunction with medication and psychotherapy. For James Ferguson, who was once so anxious he could barely leave the house, electrical stimulation is opening up a whole new world of hope. In Bellingham, Linda Byron, King 5 News.
Electrical stimulation units are expensive, about $700 apiece, but many insurance companies cover the cost for chronic pain and depression, and tests are now underway to use the treatment for tension headaches and even alcoholism.